Hello viewers, welcome back to Globe Investment. In this channel you'll be getting free trade calls, and in this video I'm going to give a buy call. So firstly I would like to welcome all the new members who are first visiting to my channel today. So I'll give a just brief introduction regarding my channel. So in this channel, as I told, you'll be getting free trade calls on stock as well as on cryptocurrencies too. So this is the Excel sheet where you will be having the record of all the trading calls I have given till now. In this you'll be finding all the information, all the details, like on which date I have given the buy calls and on what stocks I have given, and the time frame and the buying price and the targets, and on a date on which the targets got achieved, and the percentage return which we got on the particular stocks. So what can you do is, since you are like new members, obviously having doubts regarding the accuracy or how fair are my trading calls, so you can just go to your trading platforms and open, and you can select any of the stocks which already got achieved the targets, and you can go on that respective date and see that price on that particular date, and also on the target on which days the targets got achieved we have mentioned here. So you can cross verify them each and every one if you want, because so obviously like anyone will be having the doubt when because since it's our money and we can't just simply believe other persons and we can keep. So I would suggest and I would recommend that you just first see the previous trading calls of mine and how accuracy they are. By that itself you'll come to know like about the accuracy and the genuinity of my trading calls. Okay, so before going to today's buy calls, we'll discuss regarding the previous trading calls whose targets got achieved. So yeah, and before starting the video I would like to say that while you're watching this video, and especially those who are watching this video in the mobile phones, please keep in the landscape mode, so that if you are watching in the portrait mode you can't see the values clearly. So I'll suggest you to watch this video in the landscape mode. Okay, so now first we'll go to this, yes, BL stock. So we'll see where is it, BL stock. Yeah, yes, and also I would like to remind, you can see that there will be some color mentionings here. So the yellow color ones with whole green color ones are those whose three targets which I have given got achieved within the time frame which I have mentioned here, and there will be few stocks who have achieved all the three targets but they have crossed the time frame which I have mentioned here. So of those stocks I'll be mentioned like this in red color, friends. And also there'll be the cryptocurrencies, as I told, I'll be giving for cryptocurrencies too, they'll be mentioning orange color, friends. Okay, so according to that coding, so if you can see the BL stock, so we have achieved the target in 30 days, we are getting a percentage return of 13.69%, friends. And I'll show when I have given the buy call for this stock. So I have given the buy call for this stock on 20th of last month with a time frame of 15 to 20 days. Since we have achieved the target, that is the third target of 178.5, our like after the time frame which I have mentioned here, that's why I have like marked this one in red color, friends. And we are getting 13.69% returns. Now I'll show the same in the respective market platform also. So the BEL stock, friends, you can see here today it went till 178.9, friends. Okay, you can see here also this is the today's high here. So that means it crossed the target which I have given and also went till a bit higher also. So the VL stock got over. That means the person based upon my trading calls who invested 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees or like 1 lakh or 2 lakh, they'll be getting this much of return, friends. Okay, and the next one is Mahindra CIE stock. So we'll see where is it, Mahindra CIE here. So yes, and this one also it achieved the target after the time frame which I have mentioned here, that is I have given as like 10 to 15 days, and I have given the buy call for this stock on 7th of this month, and we achieved the target in 17 days, friends. And I would also like to clear here the days means we are only going to count the market working days, friends, not the non-market working days. And we are going to get a return of 7.626 percentage, friends. That means like the person who bought this one on 219 and who sold this one at 234.9, they'll be getting this much of return, friends. Now I'll show the same in the market platform. So Mahindra CIE stock, so if you can see here today it went, so wait, as I told, we achieved the target on 29th itself, friends. So on 29th, so yes, it went till 247 something. Wait a minute. Yes, on 29th it crossed even the third target which I have given here, and it went till 247 and all, friends. Okay, so So this one got over, the Mahindra CI stock. And the next one is Manappuram Finance stock, friends. I have given the buy call for this stock on, we'll see where, yeah, this one here on 17th of this month with a time frame of 10 to 15 days, friends, with a buying price of 163 and the third target of 171.26, and it achieved all the three targets by today itself, friends, that is 30, and we are getting a return of 5.06 percentage, friends. We achieved this target within 9 days itself, friends. So the person who like invest this much of amount, they'll be getting this much of profits, friends. Now I'll show the same in the market platform. One minute. What happened? Just a minute. My laptop is currently, yeah, Manappuram Finance, right? So this is a Manappuram Finance stock. As I told, today it went till 171.20, friends, and my target was 171.26. Like it went almost, it reached off to the target, friends. That's why I have counted it as a third target reached. Okay, so like these, and also there are other few stocks whose three targets haven't achieved, but they have achieved the T1 and T2 targets, friends. I'll show them also. Wait a minute here. First one is, just give me a second, friends. Just give me a second. And yeah, the first one is the Natco Forum stock. I have given the buy call for this stock on 28th of this month, and it attained the second target of like 1133 by today itself, friends, giving us a percentage return of 4.42 percentage. Okay, now I'll show the same in the market platform also. Natco Forum stock. If you can see, today it went till 1144, friends. You can clearly see here, right? So, and the second target which I given was 1133. And the next one is Deepak Nitrite stock, friends. This one also I have given the buy call for the stock on 20th of this month, and it achieved the first target of 1814.5 today itself, friends, giving us a percentage of 1.93. I'll show the same in the market platform also. Yes, Deepak Nitrite stock. So if you can see here clearly, it went till 1825.50, friends, today. That means it was the first target which I have given, and it also almost like soon it's also going to reach the other targets, friends. And the next one which achieved the all, I mean some few targets is, let me just see whether I have missed something or what. Okay, yes, KNR Constructions, friend. Okay, I have given the buy call for the stock on 30th of last month with a time frame of 1 month, friends, with a buying price of 217. Today it achieved the second target of 260, friends, giving us a percentage return of 19.80%, friends. Okay, so it's going to be a jackpot stock, friends. Soon it's also going to reach the third target of 265 in the upcoming days, friends. So like hopefully you're getting the, I mean, now by now you'll be getting the idea of the accuracy of my trading calls which I have given. So finally it's up to you, it's your money, so it's finally up to your call whether you want to follow my trading calls or not. If you're going to follow my trading calls, you'll be easily getting the profits in a few days, friends. And I'll also be giving short-term trading stocks, positional stocks of like mid-term and long-term also. Okay, it's up to you whether like what type of person, like what type of investor you are, and you can follow based upon those. So now we'll go to today's buy call, friends. So today's buy call is NMDC stock, friends, with a time frame of 20 to 25 days with a buying price of 183 with a first target of 188.6, the second target of 194, and the third target of 200, friends. Now I'll show the technical analysis of this stock, like why I am giving the buy call for this stock, friends. So we'll go here. So if you can see here clearly, we'll count how many buy signals are we are getting and why I have given the buy call for this stock. So if you can see the vertex, the green color line is above the red color line. This gives one buy signal, and the RSI, it should be above 60. It is 67.84. This gives one buy signal. Here the MACD, actually the black line should be the above the red line, but they got superimposed, so this will not count. Okay. And if you see, the Bollinger Bands got expanded and the candles are also near the upper band side itself, so this gives one buy signal, and the dark color blue line is above this black color line, this gives one buy signal, and the sky blue color line is also above this red color line, this gives one buy signal. And in order to satisfy Ichimoku, we need to see three conditions. The first one is the candles are above the cloud. Yes, the first one got satisfied, and the second one is the super trend, it's in green color. Okay, the second condition got satisfied. Now we need to see the gray color line. So if you can see the gray color line, it's above the candles. So we are three conditions got satisfied in Ichimoku. So Ichimoku is also giving a buy signal, friends. We are getting more than 5 buy signals, friends. So this is a perfect buy call stock, friends. So friends, now I have explained the technical analysis of that particular stock, like why I am giving the buy call for this stock. So those who does not have knowledge regarding these technical analysis, they can just simply follow the trading calls I have given here. As you have already seen the accuracy of my trading calls, and you can even still verify the, or like you can see here there are so many stocks, each and every detail is there, so you can pick up randomly whatever stock you want and you can cross verify them, so that you'll be having a belief on my stock, like my trading call, friends. So please like the video, share and also subscribe, so it'll be like motivation to us, and if you share to your friends or family members, they'll also be getting profits like you, friends. Bye, and meet you all in the next upcoming videos, friends.